Okay, so last time I was here, I gave a tour of the kitchen. This time I'm gonna give a tour of the dining area. So let me show you outside. Oh, the geese. There's a family of geese that live here. Whoa, there's a lot of them actually. Can you see them all? Yeah, it's cool. But yeah, let me show you the dining room. The geese, I mean, they're cool, but a lot of geese poop everywhere, but whatever, we're in the country. I'm not gonna rake it up every week. But yeah, here's the dining room. Okay, so you come into the kitchen and then through this big door, right out into the dining room. And it's quite massive. Right now they got 2 tables in here. We are replacing all of this. We are putting farm tables with 50 seats in here. We're advertising this as like a place to do your rehearsal dinner, your small wedding, your bridal shower, I don't know, something. So we're gonna put 6 farm tables in here and 50 chairs. Chairs that stack, that they can, if they're not being used, they can be just put over in the corner. It's got really high ceilings. It's got a china cabinet over here, another cabinet over here, which I need to go through that whole thing and clean out junk. Silly decorations, and this weird bench seat. Now there's 2 stairs up to the next level. This set of stairs, we're gonna try to get a ramp put in so that it is more handicap accessible. Now up through these stairs, this is like a seating area. There was actually 2 tables. I don't know where they are now. It's flanked by couches on either side. We are advertising this as a place to bring more tables so you can expand your wedding, or this is where the dancing will be. So you have 50 guests down there and then dancing up here. I do not know what to call this. The foyer, I don't know. It's a step up from the dining room. It's an open area. It's in the center of the house. Anyone watching, if you know what this is actually called, let me know. Because every time I'm trying to describe it to a bride or someone who wants to have an event down there, I try to explain there's an extra area off the dining area that you can put for dancing or extra seating. And I never know what to tell them. So yeah, that's the dining room. Next video, we will tour this section over there, which is the bar, living room, seating area, and a table with games and stuff. Yeah, if you know what this area is called, let me know so that when I am describing it to someone who's trying to book the place, I actually can use the right word. Thanks for watching.